We should.
Hey guys, baseline cards here, and we're doing a 2012 Topps Triple Threads baseball. You guys know, 4 hits, too many boxes. I think so. Is that what it is, Tim?
Is it your first time ever opening?
Yeah, I'll open one of my packs.
No. Did you let me?
Yeah.
Oh. There we go.
Since when did they put Ichiro on?
It's not
Oh, no.
Ichiro.
It's Ken Griffey Jr.
What?
Alright,
Open both packs.
open both of them.
Here's the box cutter for that.
Nothing.
Top one is right box.
We'll go.
This one looks bigger.
We'll go bottom first then. Alright. Pack 1.
No way. 2 on the back.
Alright.
The base. Oh, same.
George Brett out of 125. Cliff Lee out of 625. Frank Robinson.
Looking good.
Willie Mays.
Looking good.
Joe Mauer. Carlton Fisk, Frank Thomas, Paul Canerico. Triple out of 27.
That's pretty sweet.
Pretty cool. Edwin Encarnacion.
He's tearing it up this
Bet auto out of 75.
That's pretty good.
Not too bad. Pack number 2.
Book time?
year. Looks fat.
John Lester out of 250. Jacob Ellsbury out of 625. Joe DiMaggio.
Tensions rising.
Ryan Howard.
101.
Mark
1-1.
Teixeira.
Oh!
Yeah! Carlton Fisk.
No way.
Yeah.
There it is. 101. Carlton Fisk.
Look who it is.
Ooh,
Dude, that is sweet.
that's awesome.
Yeah.
White Whale. And then a Don Mattingly out of 27. Oh.
I knew it was a printing play. I saw that.
I know.
Yeah.
So he'd hear me goes, oh,
There it is. Alright, recap real quick. Start with our Don Mattingly out of 27. Edwin Encarnacion out of 75. Carlton Fisk, Frank Thomas, Paul Canerico out of 27. And then our White Whale 101 Carlton Fisk auto bat. That's it. Baseline cards out.